Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramani and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today I'm going to show you and I brought you today to the third floor. If I talk about third floor, there's a kids collection, there's a nighties collection and this side men varieties, bed sheets, blankets and today here we are standing from the sarees matching collections. Yes, my friends, entirely for the perfect look for the saree, it gives falls, it gives a petticoat and the blouse. So here are the fully collections. You can see the petticoats bundles also. You can see the blouse materials, cotton blouses, ready-made, printed, brocade, fancy, so much of stock over here. Why? Because season has started. And when season comes, everyone without missing with saris, they purchase all these matching collections, including false petticoat, ready-made, even materials in the blouse collections, even ready-made blouses. I request keep watching this video, don't skip this video fully, and you can see purchase these kind of zipper packages. You can find out very lovely color with the bandhani. So ikat print we have a foil printed, and we have a petticoats and the shapewears, especially the shapewears also. You can see these varieties only you can purchase, and here are the ready-made stretchable blouses. Every pattern you can see over here. When you are purchasing for the resellers, let me tell you, when you're purchasing one design, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors. 10 colors with one bundle, one design. When customers are coming, they will find out based on their taste, based on the design. So that's why you have to visit Surat market. When you come to Surat market, you will have lot many collections to choose. But very important to note, find out quality and quantity. So subscribe the channel quickly before getting out of stock. These blouses also please add in your business. Let me tell you the lovely collection with the golden, beautiful with the golden zari borders. You got this kind of blouse with the ready made. We do have all the free sizes. If I talk about the next pattern, you have a ready made celebrity pattern, the multi designer stonework designer blouse also. You can see with sleeves, without sleeves. If I talk about the next sari, which is for the designer work, Banarasi stone sequence concepts, glossy silk. This glossy silk nowadays very trending, becoming in the sari, even the blouse also. This is the pattern, sequence work with the golden cream color, dark cream color. This is also one of the pattern. I do have a lot many collections with the unique designs and the glossy silk with the lavender, with the jerry and the jerkin work you can see over here. If I talk about the next sari blouses, the colorful, brightful, contrasted color combination with the wiring work. Exactly the wiring work which is quoted on the work done on it. Coming to the cotton saris for the cotton Gadwal, Dola, Butta printed floral and the piping work with the tassels, thread tassel you can see over here. For the linen cotton, for the khadi cotton, you can find out for the days. Nowadays, these are very trending printouts. You should have these kind of collections also at your business. Coming to the next level, these kind of saris for the white zari borders, golden silver zari borders, especially for the silver zari borders with the white saris. You can also have these kind of blouses for the matching, and brocade pattern for the rapier cotton, silk cotton also, these blouses. So I've showed you only the matching varieties. So that's the samples. So hope you liked it, and quickly before getting out of stock, place an order. Minimum placing order 20 to 25,000 is the placing order. COD options pan India is available, and there's no doubt to communicate with you. All the language people are there to support you, to guide you. And you can also follow Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu page even in YouTube and even Instagram also. I'm sharing also there a lot of many Surat textile stories and the product related helpful information with you. So hope you enjoyed these collections. So please share with your friends, relative, everyone. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Don't forget to share from where you're watching the video. So until then, take care. Bye bye.